Good morning here, folks. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Right now the market's down about 80 points, and we talked this morning here that it looked like we were going to have a lower opening. We've traded as down as low as 100, 105, I think I've seen on the day. But there is a couple of interesting spots that we did trade here today. We actually, despite talking about last night on our update and even suggesting Apollo being a short, well, of course Apollo did open up to the downside, so that actually worked. We weren't short Apollo overnight, but despite that, we actually did get long DeVry here today. DeVry is down 34 cents right now, acting better than the rest of the market. But we actually did get long DeVry. We had 70-cent profit on that trade. We got long DeVry when we saw Apollo turning up in the day. So we made another long side trade here today. Despite us being negative, we also looked at buying AEM this morning at 53.95 towards the lows. It had bounced off at 53.95, trading 54.15. You could see that it was diverging. The RSI was starting to perk up while the stock was pressing lower lows. So we got long that there. The stock rallied here smartly, traded up into the high 55. So that was another real nice play we had. We also looked at C-Trip here today, ticker symbol CTRP. The stock above 20. Let me take a look here while I'm talking to you. I think it was 28.69. Let me see here exactly. Above 28.69. Take a look at the chart on C-Trip. Now it does look a little overbought, but it does have a very interesting chart pattern to it. It looks like the stock might be able to work itself higher here. The stock is actually trading up 19 cents here at 28.29, up 19 cents in a down market. I honestly think, though, any rally back into the unchanged level, I was hoping we get a rally back to the unchanged level, or maybe push them up 50 points on the day. I don't know if that's going to happen. As I'm looking here at a couple notes just crossing my desk, Bank of America here earlier today had some negative comments about the financials. So even despite those negative comments, the financials have been acting quite well. Right now, the banks are only down 94 cents. If you take a look at the FAZ, which is the triple on the triple bear on the financial, the FAZ is only up 50 cents despite the market being down. You can see here earlier in the day it traded above slightly 21. On the subsequent pullback to lower lows on the Dow, it never came close to that, barely pushed the 20 marker, not even 20. So I'm not really, I'm more bearish longer term. Here in the immediate short term here, hour to hour, I'd be really surprised if they took and just tore this market apart this afternoon. I do see that the breadth is 3-to-1 negative, but I'll tell you what, I do like overall the way the bank stocks are acting here today. You have to be somewhat impressed. The FAZ is down here, or up right now, 46 cents. So, am I changing my tune? Absolutely not. I think we're overbought. But I want to look for some type of meaningful rally back here today, maybe a higher open tomorrow. And then I want to look to get short because I really do think we are overbought up in here. I think we are going to get corrective price action. I think, the first level of support is going to come in around 76.50, down below that around 7,600. On the Dow. I think obviously the next level of resistance to the upside on the S&Ps is yesterday's highs, up in that 817 area, 818 area. Above that, you're looking at 840 to 860. Above that, around the 880. I think that's all in time. But again, I'm going to be looking to get a bearish position here into any rally. So I'm not going to get crazy here on the short side. I'm not going to short into the hole. Again, remember, here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, we recognize there's a time and place for swing trading, a time and place for day trading, time and place for investments. Right now, we're in the day trading mode. We put on 2 day trades today, both profitable. If you're not finding these types of setups, and again, despite the market being down, we played 2 stocks on the long side today. If you're not making these types of trades and you're not finding these setups, go to our site, take advantage of our 3-day free trial, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. It is free. I know once you see our live webcast, you're going to absolutely love it. You can become educated and make money at the same time. Folks, thanks for tuning in. I hope you appreciate these updates that I give you here. Of course, everything you're hearing here is obviously delayed. If you had been a member of ours or you had been taking advantage of the 3-day free trial, you would have seen on our live webcast our DV long where we scalped 70 cents on it, and you of course would have seen our AEM long that we scalped over a point on it. I don't know what you're waiting for, but the choice is yours. Thanks for tuning in to this video. I will be back again after the market closes with my post-closing commentary. Thanks for watching.